Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In this video, we are going to discuss about deleted topics and question paper pattern of class 12th English course subject for the year 2020 and 21. Here we go. At first, we'll discuss about deleted topics from literature, that is from your prescribed textbooks Flamingo and Vistas, prescribed by NCERT New Delhi. Flamingo is your English reader book and Vistas supplementary reader. From Flamingo, these are the prose and poetry chapters which are deleted for this year. Poets and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places and A Roadside Stand. And from supplementary reader Vistas book, 3 stories, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth and Memories of Childhood. So in this way, from your both the textbooks, these 7 chapters have been deleted. And talking about writing and reading section, from writing 3 topics have been deleted, and these are poster making, business or official letters, that is for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders and sending replies, and speech and debate writing. In reading section, note making and summarizing deleted. So what are the topics or contents that we have to study from our textbooks? So from Flamingo, these are the topics that we have to study. These are the prose chapters first. Out of 8, only 5 prose chapters we have to study this year. These highlighted 3 chapters have been deleted. So the chapters that we have to study are The Last Lesson, Lost Spring, Deep Water, The Rat Trap and Indigo. Only 5 prose chapters. Talking about poetry, 5 poetries we have to study. This highlighted one is deleted. So what are the poetries? My Mother at 66, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum, Keeping Quiet, A Thing of Beauty and Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. Talking about Vistas, that is from supplementary reader book, 3 topics have been deleted. These highlighted one, and remaining these 5 we have to study. The third level, The Enemy, Should Wizard Hit Mommy, On the Face of It and Evans tries an O level. So friends, now we'll talk about question paper pattern. Remember, the code number for our subject English core is 301. Your question paper pattern will be divided into 2 parts. Part A, 40 marks, which will be objective or multiple choice questions based on, and part B, subjective questions, that is short answer type questions, long answer type questions and very long answer type questions. 40 plus 40, 80, and 20 marks based on your internal assessment, that is listening and speaking skills. So at first we'll discuss this part A, 40 marks based on multiple choice questions. First, reading comprehension, 20 marks are allotted for this section. In this, there will be 2 questions based on unseen passage, but all the questions will be of multiple choice. So number 1, multiple choice questions based on one unseen passage to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive or literary. And here 10 out of 11 questions to be done. Each question will carry 1 mark. In this way, 10 marks are there. In the same way, second question based on reading comprehension, multiple choice questions based on one unseen case-based factual passage with verbal or visual inputs like statistical data, charts, newspaper report, etc. Here also 10 out of 11 questions to be done, 10 marks. Note here, The combined word limit for both the passages will be 700 to 750 words. Now, literature, 20 marks are there. Same types of questions, that is multiple type questions, multiple choice questions. Here, based on literature, there will be 3 questions. This question, multiple choice questions based on 2 prose extracts, 1 each from the books Flamingo and Vistas, to assess comprehension, appreciation, etc. Refer to the lines to answer questions based on the given extract. And here, any 2 out of 3 extracts to be done. 8 into 1, that is 8 marks. Next question, multiple choice questions based on a poetry extract from the book Flamingo to assess comprehension, analysis and inference. Refer to the lines to answer questions based on the given extract. Here, any 1 out of 2 extracts to be done. 4 into 1, 4 marks. And next question, text based questions to assess comprehension, analysis, inference and interpretation from the books Flamingo and Vistas. Here 8 out of 10 questions to be done. 8 into 1, 8 marks are there. So this is all about part A, that is objective type, multiple choice questions, 40 marks. Now we'll discuss the next section, part B, that is subjective questions, and which will have 40 marks. In this, writing section carries 16 marks. Under writing section, there will be 4 questions. So these are the questions. Short writing task, that is notice writing or advertisement writing, up to 50 words, and 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered, either notice writing or advertisement writing, and there are 3 marks only for this. Format 1, content 1 and expression 1 mark. Second question under writing section is again short writing task, that is formal or informal invitation and reply, up to 50 words. Here also 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. 3 marks are there for format 1, content 1 and for expression 1 mark. Next question under writing section is letter writing. Here, this year you will not have business or official letter. So only 2 types of letters, that is application for job with biodata or resume, and second is letter to the editor of newspaper. See, letters based on verbal or visual input to be answered in approximately 120 to 150 words. Letter types include application for a job and letters to the editor, here giving suggestions or opinion on issues of public interest, and 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. Marks are 5. Format 1, content 2 and for expression 2 marks. Next question is article writing or report writing, descriptive and analytical in nature, based on verbal inputs to be answered in 120 to 150 words, and 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered, that is either article writing or report writing, and marks are 5 for format 1, content 2 marks and for expression 2 marks. Talking about next section, that is literature section under part B, which will carry 24 marks. Here there will be 4 questions, short answer type questions and long answer type questions. Here 5 short answer type questions out of 6 from prose and poetry from the book Flamingo to be answered in 30 to 40 words. And these questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. So 5 into 2, 10 marks for this question. Next question, 2 short answer type questions out of 3 from your prose vistas to be answered in 30 to 40 words. Here also questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. 2 into 2, 4 marks. Next question now, long answer type question. Here one long answer type question from prose or poetry, that is from your Flamingo English reader book, to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. And here, dear friends, any one out of 2 questions to be done. Marks are 5. And the last question, that is long answer type question based on the chapters from the book Vistas, that is your supplementary reader book, to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Here, dear friends, any one question out of 2 questions to be done, and the marks are 5. So in this way, now we'll discuss question paper design actually, okay, for the year 2020-21. These are the sections, and here total marks are given. So for reading comprehension, 20 marks. For creative writing skills, 16 marks. For literature, textbooks and supplementary reading text, 44 marks. So total 80 marks are there, and 20 marks are based on your assessment of listening and speaking skills. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, click on like, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.